In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the racks out of your Frigidaire dishwasher. This is a Frigidaire Gallery. It's a stainless steel. It has all stainless steel tub in it, but this process should be similar for other Frigidaires, and the process is pretty similar for even other brands. So hopefully, if you need to get these out of here to clean or to replace some parts, this video will help you. Let's start with the easiest one, the bottom one. Just pulls out like this and lifts right out. Easy peasy. Put that off to the side. Then you can access your filter that way if you needed to. And then this top rack here, if you look right here, the wheels will get stopped by that right there. So all you have to do in this case is pull these over, do the same thing on this side, and then you can pull this rack right out. And then in my case, I have this nice top rack, or I guess silverware rack. And these clips right here are similar to a lot of the ones that you'll find. This stopper, you just pull out like this and then pull up on the clip and take it out completely. And the same thing on the other side. Pull out and up and out. And then you can pull that one out. And then to put them back in, just reverse the process. Just line that up like that. Same over here. And then make sure it goes in the second one here like that. Right there. Take your clip, feed it in like that. And make sure that bottom piece locks in to that hole down there. Same thing over here. And you're good with the top rack. And then I will call this the upper rack instead of the top rack. Just line these wheels up on both sides evenly. Feed it in there, like that, and they actually lock in themselves when you push it all the way in. But if they didn't, you would just push it like that. And then the bottom rack, when you put this in, you just want to make sure that this right here goes back behind the door. So just push it far enough for it to go like that. Line up these wheels so it actually sits instead of going in like this. It sits just like that, and you're good. So if you needed to remove the racks out of your dishwasher, it's real simple, but maybe you didn't know where to start, so hope this helps.